everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are doing something a little different today, a little bit more casual. I have my big fluffy mic here and my laptop, and we are going to be going through some pieces that I have been wearing lately and specifically how I've been styling them for winter. Winter here in New York has been very up and down temperature wise, so we've had some really warm days and some very chilly days, and so my outfits have been ranging quite a lot. I feel like true winter doesn't actually start until about January, so I'm probably gonna be looking a little less cute in the next coming weeks and just more bundled up. Anyway, let's get into the pieces and how I've been styling them. I'm excited to share. I'm titling this first look Winter White. The star of this outfit is really this boat neck knit top from Floor. I've been getting a ton of wear out of it this winter, and I think the best thing about it is really that it's just a basic cotton knit, but the boat neck and the 3/4 length sleeves really make it easy to wear on its own and still look elevated. My denim is a pair I got on sale at the end of the summer from Redone. They're a wide leg crop with a little bit of a mid-rise. My best tip for white denim is buy at the end of the summer because you'll always find a good deal. I actually really love wearing white denim in the winter. I think it reminds me of the snow or something cheesy. I don't know. I just think they're really cute and easy to style. I've also really been loving brown accessories lately. So I have this gorgeous vintage bag that I've been getting a ton of wear out of that goes perfectly with these boots that I recently picked up from Madewell. And finally, my preferred coat these days is this lovely one from the Curated. This is the New York coat, and it is fantastic, and I cannot recommend it enough. It is gorgeous. Look number 2, I'm titling the Groutfit. So my favorite knitwear brand has to be & Daughter. I bought a cardigan from them last year and I wear it literally all the time. I snagged this polo sweater on sale this holiday season and it matches these jeans perfectly. So speaking of these jeans, these are newer to my closet and they are from Laline. And this is the first pair of denim I've tried from them and I really like them a lot. The shape is so cool. They're a bit of a relaxed barrel leg and they are so comfortable. I feel like I'm wearing sweatpants when I put these on, and that is super ideal to me when wearing a pair of jeans. Moving on to shoes, does anyone love Clarks? Because I do, and I know that these can be kind of polarizing, but for me they are the perfect winter shoe that is A, easy to walk in, and B, keeps my toes warm. It's been quite mild here too, so I've been getting a lot of good use out of my trench coat even into the winter. Mine is lined in wool, so that helps a little bit. But overall, been loving this really easy casual outfit and it's been perfect to wear to work. Look number 3, I am titling French Girl Chic. So sorry if there are any French girls actually watching this because you're probably like, girl, this is not it. Please stop trying to be us. But something about wearing black with a pop of color, namely red, is very chic to me. So I recently got this trench from the Curated and the shape is fantastic. Surprise, surprise. I love the Curated coats. Basically all my outerwear is from the Curated. The belt and the width of the coat allow for it to be super cinched at the waist, giving it almost a peplum look if you so wish. So it's super nice. And another bonus is it is lined in silk. So chef's kiss from me. These pants that I'm wearing, I've had for about 5 years now, and I found them on the RealReal. They are my only piece that I own from the Row. If you look hard enough on the RealReal, you can find pieces from the Row for like $50. It's really not that hard to do. I've just been loving these for years and years, so that's always a good win moment. The split hem really does a lot for my outfits. Another thing that's been on my mind lately is anyone absolutely blinded by the sun in the winter? It sits so low in the sky. I feel like I need to wear sunglasses more in the winter than I do in the summer because it hits me right in the face. So I'm always carrying these around in the winter. And even though it's winter here, there is no snow on the ground in New York. So I am still getting a ton of wear out of my Paula babies from SEZANE. They really add that extra pop of color to any of my neutral outfits. I'm titling the concept of look number 4 as Cozy Cabin. Now I don't own a cabin or even go to anyone else's cabin in the winter, but if I did, I know that my lazy day outfit would be perfect for the occasion. I have these new slip-ons from UGG that are so cute. I feel like they haven't released a new style that I've been so drawn to in years. And my old pair of slippers are so sad and ready to leave this earth, so I did buy these recently. And then I love a chunky scarf. I have two really chunky scarves. This is my gray one. I also have a red one that's a bit more of a pop moment. I was feeling the gray in this situation. So this is an oldie but a goodie from Everlane years and years ago. It's a wool and cashmere blend. The rest of this outfit is really easy to recreate. I am just wearing my favorite navy cashmere sweater. You can get these literally anywhere. Mine is from the Curated. Surprise, surprise. I've had it for a few years and I really like it. It's very comfortable and it's very easy to maintain. And then my pants are a knit pant from DOEN, and I do really love knit pants. I'm not sure if I would recommend these ones. I don't really feel like the quality is there for how much I spent on them. So I might try some other knit pant styles and let you know if there is one out there that I would recommend. Another thing you can do with the scarf, besides just throwing it over your shoulder, is you can make a little ear hat cover. I do this often when I am going outside and it is windy, and I like to throw on the sunglasses. I look like an egg, yes, I know, but it keeps you really warm, and if you don't have a hat lying around, this is a really good option to keep your head warm. I personally think there is nothing better than wearing a really nice coat over kind of a grungy, lazy outfit. So this is my, if I have to run to the grocery store because I forgot an ingredient when I'm cooking dinner situation, throw on my nice curated top coat over my lazy outfit, and it doesn't even look like I'm wearing pajamas anymore. This is definitely one of my go-to outfits when I'm working from home as well. Our final look is for casual winter date night. This is my go-to date night outfit in the winter. So I just love to wear a very nice flowy silk feminine blouse. I'd say that's my go-to. It's a little bit different than the sweaters that I am usually wearing. And I am once again accessorizing with my dark espresso brown colored boots and my belts. I did break out this little gold wallet bag because it's easy to carry for date night. And then my favorite thing to wear is this pair of jeans. And I know jeans are not like the fanciest thing to wear for date night, but I really like these in the winter because they make me look at least 5 inches taller than I actually am. These are from KHAITE. I bought them on sale like a year-ish ago, and I wear them all the time. They make my legs look a mile long, and I love the way that they look with these boots. My go-to date night coat is this big white fluffy coat that I also bought from the Curated. This one is a few years old. They don't sell this one anymore, and I think they should bring it back. It is entirely wool. The whole thing, it's wool, and it's lined in silk, and it is probably the warmest chic jacket that I own, besides, of course, you know, my puffer, but that's not very cute for date night. So this is the perfect date night warm coat because it gets cold and breezy on winter nights. As always, thank you so much for watching. This was very fun for me, and I hope that we can do this again sometime. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite look was or piece. Talk to you soon. Bye.